Driving in hot weather can negatively affect the driver and their vehicle, so be aware of the following information before heading out. Now, in extreme heat, the battery cells can break down and the battery fluid can evaporate, leading to corrosion of the terminals and connections. The coolant liquid, which circulates the engine, can also evaporate and cause the engine to overheat and fail. Check your coolant level before starting your journey and top it up if necessary. Hot weather can also cause the air in your tyre to expand and explode, also known as a blowout. Before heading out, check your tyre with a pressure gauge to verify that the operating temperature is in accordance to the user manual. Also, wear appropriate clothing like shorts or a sleeveless top, and take regular breaks and enough bottled water to last the entire journey. For more driving lesson tips, download my training guide by clicking the link on screen and the one below. Good luck and thank you.